problems on the line integral here. So in a previous video, people have studied about the definition of a vector line integral. So now I'm going to solve the problems on the line integral. So let us see what we have. First problem, evaluate integration of vector f dot dr over a curve C where vector f is equals to xy into I plus x square plus y square into vector j along these two curves here. So first one, the path of the straight line from 0 0 to 1 comma 0 and then to 1 comma 1. Second one, the straight line joining the origin and a 1 comma 2. Observe here, this problems contains the two parts. First part, we have to find the integral value of this one along this curve, first curve. Similarly, second part, we have to find integral value of this one along the straight line. That straight line is joining the origin to 1 comma 2. First one is also straight line, but here the straight line from 0 0 to 1 comma 0 and then to 1 comma 1. Okay. Second one from origin to 1 comma 2. What is our aim in this problem? We have to find integral value of this one under the vector function. Okay, what they given, just write down. Given vector f is equals to xy into I plus x square plus y square into j. We have to find integral value of this one now. So take that one, integral over c, vector f dot dr is equals to integral over c. F means that is given here, just substitute xy into I plus x square plus y square into j. Dot product with dr. Dr is nothing but dx into I plus dy into j plus dz into vector k. So dot product between these two vectors is there. So keep LHS as it is, integration over c as it is. So dot product between these two vectors, that is nothing but product of coefficient of i's on a both side. I coefficient is here xy, coefficient of I here dx, xy into dx plus coefficient of a j x square plus y square, coefficient of a j dy. So x square plus y square into dy. Okay, next coefficient of a k, there is no k term here, obviously coefficient of a k is 0, here coefficient of a k dz, 0 into dz means 0, no need to write here. So integration over c xy into dx plus x square plus y square into dy. Consider this one as a equation 1. Okay, so what we have, first one, we have to find integral value of this one along this path now. So consider that one. First one, what we have, along the path of the straight line from 0 0 to 1 0 and then to 1 comma 1. What it means, consider xy coordinates. So origin means this one, that path, straight line path is from 0 0 to 1 0. Take a point 1 here. So denote it as that point with a of 1 comma 0 coordinates and then to 1 comma 1. Somewhere 1 comma 1 here. Here 1 means somewhere the point of 1 comma 1 here. So b of 1 comma, denote that point as a b of with the coordinates 1 comma 1. So the total curve is from 0 to means origin to a to b. Okay, totally our first curve means 0 to a then a to b. But generally what we have curve is denoted as a c only. Therefore, integral over c vector f dot dr splits into two curves. First curve from 0 to a, that is OA. Okay, vector f dot dr plus integration of vector f dot dr over a curve a to b. This whole curve from 0 to b is divided into two sub curves, that is O to A and A to B. Consider this one as equation 2. Okay, first find the integral value along OA. Similarly, next find integral value along AB. Then add these two terms. You will get the result of a vector f dot dr along the curve from O to B. Then the first part completes. Okay, so let us see what we have here. First find along OA. Along OA, observe the OA. In the OA curve means the straight line, in the straight line from O to A, here the value of a y is constant here. So here 0, here also 0. Therefore y is equals to 0. Differentiation of a y means dy is equals to 0. And x changes from 0 to 1. Here x value 0, here x value 1. Therefore x value changes from 0 to 1. So 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. Okay, therefore from equation 1, from 1, what it implies, equation 1 means this one. So integration of vector f dot dr, not over C here, we have to take it as a along OA, because we have to find integral value along OA only. Okay, therefore take it here along OA, that is equals to integral. OA means in the OA y value x value changes. Okay, therefore x value changes from 0 to 1. And observe here what we have, x y dx na. So x means keep it as it is. Y means we know that y is equals to 0. Dx as it is plus x square as it is. Y square is there, y value 0, you know that 0 square 0 only. Then dy also 0. Okay, so it becomes here also 0, here also 0. Integration over 0, obviously 0 only. Therefore, integration over OA of vector f dot dr value 0. Similarly, find the integral value along AB. Observe here along AB, x value is a constant, but y varies here. Okay, x value here also 1, here also 1, but y varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, take in the second case means along AB. Along AB, x value is a constant, take that one, x is equals to 1, dx is equals to, differentiate on a both side, x becomes dx, differentiation of a constant 0, and y value changes from 0 to 1, not 1 to 0. So observe here arrow mark, they mentioned clearly the straight line from 0 0 to 1 comma 0 and then to 1 comma 1. Therefore your direction must be here O to A and A to B, not B to A. Keep it in a mind. Therefore here value of a y changes from 0 to, observe here the y value is here 0, the y value is 0, here y value 1. Therefore y value changes from 0 to 1. Therefore integration over AB of vector f dot dr is equals to, here along AB y value changes, therefore here limits must be y is equals to 0 to 1. Then what we have here, vector f dot dr means this one. Now from equation 1, vector f dot dr means this one. Wherever is x, substitute 1. Okay, keep a y as it is. Then it becomes x y into dx is there. So here observe. Here what we have here, x y into dx na. So x value what we have 1. Keep a y as it is. Then dx means we know that dx value 0 plus x square plus y square. X value we know that, what is that, 1. Y value we don't know, keep it as it is, y square with respect to y. Okay, then observe here y value changes from 0 to 1. So this whole term becomes totally 0. Then we have here 1 plus y square into dy. Then separate the integral to each term here. We have two terms here. Separate that one. Integration of 1 with respect to y. 1 with respect to y plus integration of y is equals to 0 to 1. Integration of y square into dy. Then integration of 1 dy means y only plus integration of a y square, y cube by 3. Then for both the terms what we have a limit 0 to 1, here also 0 to 1. Therefore write a 1's only 0 to 1. So wherever is y, substitute upper limit as a 1. Okay. So upper limit minus lower limit, what we have upper limit 1. 1 plus 1 cube means 1 by 3 minus. Wherever is y, substitute a lower limit 0. 0, here also 0, obviously 0. 1 plus 1 by 3, what it means? 4 by 3. So therefore integration of vector f dot dr over a curve AB is equals to 4 by 3, or a curve AB is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore, what we have here, integration of vector f dr along AB value is a 4 by 3. Here, value of f integration of a vector f dot dr along OA we have here 0. Substitute these two values in a equation 2. Substitute this value and this value in a equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies what we have here, integration of a vector f dot dr over a c is equals to integration of vector f dot dr along OA. What we have here, value 0, plus integration of vector f dot dr along AB. What we have here, 4 by 3. Substitute here 4 by 3. So integration over c of vector f dot dr is equals to 0 plus 4 by 3 means 4 by 3. So it completes the half of the problem.